In addition to controlling live TV, your DVR service also allows you to easily record programs for watching later. You can record a program as you are watching it. You can record one program while you watch another, or you can record a program that you find in the program guide. You may also schedule a series recording, so you always catch all episodes of your favorite program. This segment will walk you through the recording options available through your DVR. The Now Playing feature makes it easy to see at a glance what your DVR is doing at any given moment. In this example, you can see what is currently being viewed, as indicated by the TV icon. In this case, it is live TV, indicated by the antenna next to the channel 608. In addition, channel 608 and 615 are in the process of being recorded, as marked by the red recording circle icon. Finally, a previously recorded program from channel 606 was recently playing, as indicated by the red circle with a yellow checkmark. You can easily move back and forth between these programs and even choose to record directly from this Now Playing listing. If you are watching a program and decide you want to begin recording it, simply press the record button on the remote control. Choose whether this is a one-time recording, a series recording, or press exit if you change your mind. To simply and quickly record the program you're watching, just press the record button once to bring up the recording menu, and choose OK to choose a one-time recording at default settings. Once your recording begins, a red circle will briefly display at the top right of the screen, indicating that you are recording the program. When recording a program not already in progress, you can also choose the Autotune feature to have your television automatically tuned to the channel when recording begins. Once your recording begins, a TV screen with a red circle will briefly display in the top right of the screen, indicating that you are recording the program. Perhaps you have a favorite television series that you'd like to schedule for regular recording. Select the series on the guide or perform a search to find it. With the program highlighted, press the record button and arrow over to series recording. You have options to keep a select number or all recordings of the program, to record new episodes only or all episodes, to adjust the start and stop time of the recording from 1 to 30 minutes early and 1 to 60 minutes late, and to place the recording in a specific folder once it is completed. If you have multiple DVRs in your whole home group or a cloud DVR, you can choose which DVR to have this recording saved to. You can also choose the Autotune feature to have your television automatically tuned to the channel when recording begins. After you've made your series recording selections, arrow down to create the series recording and press the OK button to finish the selection. A red circle with an S in the center at the top right indicates a series is recording. If your series recording icon is gray, that means you have other recordings during this same time, and your bandwidth may be limited, and this recording may not happen. We'll talk about managing your series rules using the List button in another section of this video. The same process applies for recording programs, whether you make the selection from a program you are currently watching or whether you select the program from the guide. As you browse through the guide and find programs you wish to record, simply press the record button and choose from the same recording options. If you decide to stop recording a program before it has ended, press the Stop button with the program selected on the guide, or press the Record button while viewing the program in process. The DVR will present you with options about the recording that you have stopped. You can stop recording and keep the part of the program that you have recorded. You can stop recording, keep it, and protect it from being automatically deleted. You can stop recording and delete the program, or simply continue recording. If you don't know when a program you'd like to record is going to air, you can easily search for the program and then set the recording. To do this, press the Search button, left arrow, on the remote control. Highlight New Search and press OK. This will display a search window where you can use the Browse arrow keys on the remote control to highlight and select letters to spell your search word. To select a letter, press the OK button on the remote control. To begin the search, press the yellow button. For example, the search here is for all programs with the word dog in the title. From here, you can browse the program titles that match your search. You will receive search results from on-demand, TV airings, and recordings. If you see a TV airing you'd like to record, arrow down to the program and press Record. Again, you'll have the same options to do a one-time recording, series recording, or set a reminder. You can also access the search screen through the main menu. Press the menu button on your remote, arrow to the right, and highlight Search. Press OK to bring up the search screen. Another great feature on the Schedule Recording menu is the Reminder function. When browsing the guide, you may find a program you don't want to miss. Press the Record button, arrow over to Reminders, and set your preferences. You can choose to be reminded just this one time, only when new airings will air, or of all airings. You can also choose when you want the reminder to appear, from 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes before airtime. Finally, select whether you want your television to automatically tune to the program when it begins, and then arrow down and press OK to create reminder. To remove the reminder, highlight the specific program and press Record. The reminder pop-up will appear at the top of the screen the number of minutes prior to the program's start that you designated in your settings. You may choose to leave the reminder on the screen, press OK to tune to the program, or press Exit to dismiss the reminder. Once you take any action on the pop-up screen, the reminder is dismissed.